This is the introduction video to Apollo bot. So in this video, you're going to learn how each page here works and what it does. Like for example, if you want to see your trading, you want to see your trading logs, you want to see how to buy gas fee, or you want to see your profits. That is all what you're going to learn in this video. Now, for you to come up to this interface, you must first create an account. This is not a scam platform. It is not the other Ponzi platforms where even if you don't log in, you can first see other things. This is a different platform where everything is done using AI. So if you don't understand what is AI, please check the video that I posted just yesterday in this YouTube channel. Now, if you don't have an account in Apollo bot, please find the link under this video description and create an account so that you log in and come into this interface. And also, if you don't know how to create an account, I have the video on how you can create an account in this YouTube channel. Now, to get started with this introduction video, if you already create an account and you log into your account, you're going to come to this interface. Now down here we have 5 pages where we have the home page, spot, feature, logs, and mine. And we are already in the home page here. Now from the home page we have the sub pages where we have the exchange page. Now before I start introducing you to the exchange pages, here we have the banners. So that is about up here. Now, when you come down to the exchanges here, the exchanges page is where you're going to see all the exchanges which are working with Apollo bot. And when you click on one, it is going to take you to the web browser of that exchange. For example, if I click on Binance or OKX, it is going to take me to the web browser of OKX. And if you don't have an account, you're going to create an account there. Then we come back to the next page, which is API page. For API page is where you're going to do your binding. Now, if you don't know how to do binding and you want to bind maybe OKX or Binance, please check the video in this YouTube channel. I have the 2 videos on how you can bind Apollo bot with OKX or bind Apollo bot with Binance. Please check them there and bind your Apollo bot with the exchange you want. Now when you go to the next page here, which is the gas page, the gas page is where you can buy the gas from. Now we have the first one, which needs you to deposit $30 for you to get 3,000 gas. How Apollo does with gas fee is quite different, whereby you deposit $30 and they give you a different thing where they give you gas, real gas. You're not going to use the exact US dollars you've deposited, but you're going to use the gas. Now when you deposit $30, they are going to multiply it times 10, which gives you 3,000 gas, up to the big one here, which is for 1,000. And now they have some promotion ongoing, which is from, if you buy a gas of $100 up to 1,000, you have some top up on what you're going to buy. So that is it. I'm going to come back and take you through how you can do all that. Now we have this icon here. This icon is where you're going to see your history. If you tap on it, you're going to see your history here. And here we have the gas, and here we have operation, gas, quantity, then status. Then we have the consume. Here is where you're going to see how your gas is consumed. Now here we have the coin, the currency which has consumed, then the value, how much you've used for trading, then the quantity of gas which is consumed here, then we have the time, at what time was that gas used. So that is why I liked Apollo trading bot. Now when we can go back to the next page where we have the profit. Now the profit here is where you're going to see the profits, how much you've earned from 7 days, 30 days, 90 days, 180 and 360 days. All that you're going to see from profits. Now here, if you tap like me, I have tapped on here, this is what I have earned in the last 7 days. Then when I come to 30 days, it is going to show me everything. Now when, for example, here is the dates, the wallet you've used for trading, like in spot, this is what you've earned. Then in future, this is what you've earned. Then the total, how much you've earned since you started trading, is here. Now for example, you may be seeing these negatives down. Let me check down here. You have these negatives. All this I will come and explain to you in the next video. But today I'm just introducing you to Apollo trading bot. Now, if you come to the ranking here is where you're going to see how traders are ranking. Now, Apollo bot refreshes every day at 7 p.m. East African time, and here you can see that this person has earned $10 and is the top person in the current time now. And we have these other people here who have made negatives, but of course everything is going to change. Let me see if I'm also belonging somewhere. Right, I am not yet here because my coins have not yet sold, and I'm going to show you in the next time. Then when we come to the month here, the month here is where you're going to see who is the best trader in the month. For example, we have this one. Jasmine is having 11,600 $1 is the best person. Then we have the least person. The 30th person has made $966.96 in the Saturdays. Then if you come to totals here is the top 30 people who have made money in Apollo bot. And we have the first person here has made $206,336, and the last person has made $64,264 in the total. So that is how it is. Now down here you can see that you have this icon, the speaker icon. This is a notification icon whereby if you tap here, it is going to take you to the messages or the notification part of it, and this is where you're going to find any news or anything communicated by the admins to its users. Then for emails, in case there is something they have shared through email, you would see it there. So that is how this one is. Now down here we come to the strategies. Now strategies here, we have 5 strategies, and now we have the first strategy, which is spot classic. Now here it says that execute low price buy and high price sell with just one click, 24/7 operating system. So when you want to trade in spot trading, you must be having money in your spot wallet in your exchange. For example, if you're using Binance, you must be having money in spot wallet. But if you don't have money in spot wallet, then you're not going to manage to trade. You first have to transfer it from maybe feature wallet to the spot wallet. Now if you have your money in spot wallet, just come and click on spot classic if you want to trade using spot classic, and here you can select the coin that you want to trade. I'm going to come back and show you how you can trade from there. Then the feature classic also is the trading where you get the coin. Here it says efficient and stable trading to easily navigate market fluctuation. So if you tap on it, it's going to still give you the coins, and here you select the coin you want to trade. But remember, to trade feature, anything concerning feature, you must be having money in your feature wallet, except you're using OKX, because in OKX, if your money is in trading, it means that you're going to see your money both in spot wallet and in features wallet. So that is how it is. Then we come to feature hedge. Feature hedge also the same. Then we come to feature index, then the feature mode. Now for the feature mode, I want first show you this one. For the feature mode is the best for those who doesn't have time to analyze coins. So you just come and click on the feature mode. And also, as I said, that your money must be in feature wallet. For example, if you're using Binance, but if you're using like OKX, your money should just only be in trading wallet, and you're going to see your money. Now from the feature model here, it shows you the best coin, the current coin for you to trade. I mean that it is going to select the top coins that you should trade. That it gives you that a clue that these are the best coins for you to trade. So if you don't have time, go to the feature mode and click and select the coin. Now this is how you select coin in feature mode. You have to select with a win rate of at least with the coin with a higher win rate, like now peanuts. If you select this one, you're going to earn money, and here it shows you the total profits. Please, I'm going to come back and show you how to operate this feature model page. So we are done with there. Then down here we still have ranking. Ranking here is just a subsection of this ranking page. So if I just click on it, still it is going to take me back to the other ranking page. That is how it is. Now we go to the next page, which is spot page. Now in spot page is where you're going to see the coins that you're trading in spot wallet. Then up here we see the total asset. This is the total money I have currently now. If you remove these negatives here, you're seeing here this -2, this -0.18, then the position here, how much I have used for trading. I have used $44 for trading, and that's why you're seeing it like this. Then here the today's PNL is because it is a new day. I have not yet made. It is only like few minutes past in today's day. The time has been refreshed, so this is where you would see it from. If you have made a loss, you're going to see the negative dollars you've made, or you're going to see the positive. Now for you to see the negative here, because you're seeing it here and you're not seeing it here, this is because I have not cancelled any trade. I have not closed any trade, so I want my coin to go back. When they go back, I'll sell and the positive coin or the profits will appear there. Now if you go to the next page, the third page here, which is features page. The features page would also show you how much you are trading. If you're trading any coin in features wallet or features classic, features mode, or features hedge, features indicator, it would show you here. And the total amount here, because I'm using OKX and my money, they share the same coins. Both the spot wallet and the feature wallet, they share the same money, so that is why you're seeing here is like this. Now we go to the next page. The logs here is where you're going to see your trading. Now if you can see that I started my trading on the 16th of March 2025. So the first date I bought, that one has been closed. Then here is when it is sold. Then I bought another coin. So this is where you're going to see the logs here. You're going to see when you bought and when it is sold. So that is about the logs. Now when you go to the mine page here, the mine page here is where you're going to see the deposit. In case you want to deposit money to ApolloBot, you use mine page. Then we have this gas. The gas, this is the balance of the gas that I have. Then this is for gas. Still, if you tap here, it is going to take you back to the gas page in the home page. I mean this page here. If you click on the gas from mine, which is this one. Now we have the referrals. The referral here is where you get your referral link in case you want to do referral. And before you do referrals, please send your incentive code to the customer, and I'm going to show you how you can send it here. Now for you to send it, just come and click here. Now when you tap here, you just come and click on apply. If you click on apply, you write your statement here, like you want the commission, which amount from which amount. Then here you enter your invitation code and the notification that please activate for me referral code. After you click on submit, then they are going to activate for you the referral commission. Now do we have this button? If you tap on it, it is going to show you the feedback. Now this is how I have been chatting with this customer, so you can also do that. And it is even how I activated my referral commission. Here it talks about the apply, the steps you're going to do so that you can do it. But of course, if you have customer service, you just tap here and it is going to take you to the Telegram, and this is the best one. Now when it brings you here, just talk to this customer, give your referral ID and tell him to activate for you your referral commission, and it is going to be activated for you. Right, we go to the next page. Now the next one here is where you're going to see people you have referred. So if you tap on it like this, you're going to see the number of people you have referred with, the money you have earned, and even it would show you people who have activated. And if you click on the details here, because here it has the ID, invitation code, then the gas pending, then operation. So if you click on details here, you can see the name of the person and the commission that person is earning from here. Please contact customer support and activate your referral commission before you start doing referrals. Then if you come to feedback, feedback still takes you to the other very portion, but of course this one is a bit different. If you have like some inquiry or something that you want, or the complaint you want to send, you just click on feedback and send it direct to the customer support. Then for messages here, still takes you back to the notification, but of course it is going to bring you direct to the emails here. In case you can still get it from messages. Then the setup here, in case you want to change the language, Now here you just click, then you change the language. Which language do you want? English, Indonesia, or you want Chinese or France? Any language that you want, you can do that from settings. Then the security settings here is where you're going to change your security or your login password from or to log out from. Then we come to about us. About us here is where you're going to get about Apollo, their Twitter, then Telegram, then the WhatsApp. So if you click here, it is going to take you to the WhatsApp group of Apollo. But then if you click here, it is going to take you to the real official YouTube channel for Apollo. But then for Facebook, if you tap here, it is going to take you direct to Apollo Facebook page. So that is how that one is. Now before I get done with this video, if you're new in this YouTube channel, please don't forget to click on the subscription, liking this video, and also sharing to all your friends. Now you can see that if you create an account, it is going to give you a different name here and also a different photo. Now maybe you want to change or to edit your name, like I have did and I have put my photo. You log in, then you come to mine, then you come and click on this pencil on your top right hand corner, tap on it, then here you tap on it, then now you enter your name, then you click on save and you save your name. Then for the photo, you just tap on it like this, then you change, you put the photo that you want to put. After you still, it is going to log, then it is saves for you. Now after, everything will appear like you are seeing mine. So guys, that is all about introduction page on ApolloBot. In this YouTube channel, I talk about only trading and only using ApolloBot. Guys, if you found value in this YouTube channel, please don't forget to click on the subscription, liking this video, comment, ask me anything that you want to know from ApolloBot, and I'm going to answer you in a short period of time. Just leave it in the comment section or join my WhatsApp group and ask me anything you want to know. Thanks so much.